All right, our DMR. So, what we're going to take a look at is we're going to match the pot of gold to its correct algebraic expression, leprechaun. So the first one says the difference of 8 times k and 14. So difference meaning subtraction. So we can rule out the first pot of gold and the third pot of gold. So it says the difference of 8 times k, so 8 times k, oh, here's 8 times k, and 14. There's that difference of 8 times k and 14. So that pot of gold is going to go to that leprechaun. Whoop, I guess I can put it to the front. So sorry. Let me move these all to the front real quick. And I will bring them to the front on your guys' end as well. Perfect. All right, the product of 25 and n plus 2. So product, meaning multiplication. So the product of 25 and n, then adding 2, then plus 2. So the product of 25 and n, so multiplying 25 and n right there. And n plus, then plus 2. So there's that 2. We are going to drag this pot of gold right there. The sum of 2 and the quotient of a number x and 5. So the sum, oh, here's the sum of 2, yes. And the quotient, yes, we have the quotient of a number x and 5. So it is going to be this pot of gold. Last but not least, we have 8 less than the product of 7 and m. So that is going to be, whoop, that is going to be that pot of gold. Let's see if that works better. There we go. And that's going to be it for our DMR number 1. Great job.